अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन एंड यस दिस इज अनवर खान और आप देख रहे हैं शो शॉप। कहने का मकसद है कि वी आर ट्राइंग टू गिव यू द बेस्ट इन टर्म्स ऑफ न्यूज़, नॉट ओनली द न्यूज़ बट द गुड पार्ट अबाउट द न्यूज़। और अभी आपको सब बिहाइंड द सीन पर्सपेक्टिव दिखाना चाहूँगा। सो आई एम राइट नाउ हियर टू इंटरव्यू अ वेरी टैलेंटेड लेडी जो कि वेरी dear friend as well भी है। तो her name is Tamkeen and Tamkeen is an artist to be precise. She's a painter. I just show a picture of her work for now. She's done like amazing work overall अगर आप देख सकें। तो I just thought that मजाक करता हूँ एक खातून से जो कि आर्टिस्ट भी है, showing her work to you all, some of her work. इसके अलावा आपको बताता चलूँ कि चीज़ें बहुत सारी हैं। Like she's still like working on different things जो आपको आइडिया हो रहा होगा। So she has a lot of vision in terms of artist and being an artist. So I would want कि वो थोड़ा guide कर सके हम सबको भी, and all those inspiring artists जो inspiring मेरी aspiring artists to be precise जो कि चाहते हैं that they can be artists. So anyways, I'm just going to quickly go to her and interview her. Here we go. अस्सलाम वालेकुम। सो यस मेरे साथ मौजूद है तमकीन, नदीम तमकीन। अभी आप कुछ कह रहे थे पहले शो से पहले। अच्छा, so telling you more about Tamkeen, a bit overview. Yes, Tamkeen is basically an artist. As you can see, we are sitting right now at her studio, and I think she's a phenomenal painter in terms of the work that she's done. I would definitely want her to tell us more about the whole journey. To begin with, up to you, Tamkeen.
Thank you.
How did it all start?
Wow. So first of all, thank you for coming to my studio and taking your time out. And how did it all start? So I haven't studied arts at all. So it didn't start for me as a very formal training in the arts or learning how to draw. Aesthetically, she had a very unique aesthetic sense, and everything she did around the house or the way she even brought us up was always very done in a very beautiful way. Attention to detail, always taking care of the settings, the way she would serve food, the way she would talk or carry herself.
Right.
So I grew up taking in a lot of that, and I always painted. I studied masters in communication.
Achha.
And I worked in advertising for the next 10 years after I graduated. Then I went on to study social development in Berlin. And then when I came back, I started working with Web.
Okay, that's very interesting journey. तो इब्तिदा आपकी basically as an artist नहीं थी, but I think pretty much more like कि आपको artistry का शौक था. You always like to draw, right?
Yeah, and I think growing up again with my mom, I became very aware of beauty and looking at things and observing things.
Right.
And colors and all of that. So all of that does come down from my mother, because she kept me very busy with lots of craft projects. And I was a kid who would always say, I'm getting bored. So she would always hand over some color pencils to me or give me a sketchbook.
सही। तो यानी कि basically slowly and gradually with time आप सब कहने का मकसद ये कि it obviously all credit तो अपनी मम्मा को दे दिया, लेकिन इसके अलावा there would be a lot of people who would still want to be, जिन्होंने पढ़ा भी होगा, they would have went to different universities, different schools to learn the art. आपको क्या लगता है? और वो अभी तक they are unable to break their ice, यानी कि they are unable to come out of their own worlds as an artist. तो what exactly would there be a problem for them कि जिसकी वजह से वो फंस गए हैं या उनकी कला बाहर नहीं आ रही?
I think it's one thing as an artist or as an athlete, repetition. You have to put in those hours. You need to be that disciplined.
Right.
A lot of time people think that being an artist means that you are hit by an idea and inspiration and you go in your studio and you quickly execute it.
Right.
No, but unless you have those hours of experience behind you, hours of brushwork, practice, knowing colors, making color, mixing it, palettes, and know-how of your material, you will never be able to execute that idea.
Right.
So really, it's just about, I never stopped. I kept drawing even when I was working. After my job, I would come home and I would do this as my own therapy or just to get my mind off things. And I think that just accumulated into developing my own sort of color palette, my own voice, and finding that your unique style. What is it that you want to paint? What is it that you are connected to?
So जब आप when you stepped into the advertising industry, as you mentioned, आपने कहा कि you jumped into advertising agency with time communication side पे ज़्यादा थी, तो उस टाइम पे आप क्रिएटिव्स में नहीं घुस सकी? आप लोगों की एडवर्टाइजिंग एजेंसीज में भी क्रिएटिव साइड ज़्यादा होती है।
Truly, I was the creative head for Ogilvy for a long time. Then I was creative head for Brammers, a digital marketing agency. So yes, that all of that reflected. But then when I studied social development in Berlin, then I completely became a field researcher.
Right.
And I started working only with Behbood, and it's been a decade that I've been with them. I'm now director communications at Behbood, and I've done a book for them. I've created their online store. I've done several websites for the organization. So in that capacity, yes, I had, a creative side which
Right.
always added on to my work. But my main field has been like more in field research, in working with communities, in economic empowerment of women.
तो मुझे अभी तक आपके पास क्योंकि मैं काफ़ी आपकी इंस्पिरेशन और काफ़ी आर्ट देख रहा हूँ, तो डू यू हैव द फर्स्ट एवर कह लो कि कला जो आपने आर्टिस्ट की बनाई हो, या वो आपका बहुत ही सबसे पहले, क्योंकि ये भी सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ होती है कि यू स्टिक टू समथिंग जो आप जिसने शायद आपकी कहने ब्रेक थ्रू कहने चले जिसने आपको एकदम से ना मोटिवेशन भी दी हो, या ब्रेक थ्रू हो, या समथिंग ऑफ द सॉर्ट, बिकॉज आई एम श्योर आई वुड वांट कि मैं सबको थोड़ा सा टूर भी कराऊँ साथ साथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्क दैट यू डन, बट व्हाट वुड बी द ओल्डेस्ट?
So मैं आपको जो जर्नी ऑफ माय आर्टिस्ट, हाउ आई बिकेम एन आर्टिस्ट एंड रिकॉग्नाइज माय सेल्फ एज एन आर्टिस्ट, तो ये काम जमा होता गया और मैं अपने लिए के घर के लिए उसको आई एम फ्रेमिंग देम एंड आई एम पुटिंग इट अप. And then I was working at Lokversa as a consultant, as the head of publications and research. And they created a new art gallery there. So my boss had come to my house and seen all these paintings.
Right.
And he gave me my first solo show. So
Okay.
when I exhibited for the first time and sold few paintings, I was like, oh, I am an artist.
तो तब आपको रियलाइज हो गया.
Yeah.
So that was basically the break for you.
Yeah, because आपको एक external validation तो चाहिए होती है ना, to co-label yourself, with such a big, I would say, you say, okay, I'm a professional artist now.
Right. So that was, और ये कितना टाइम हो गया होगा इसको?
This was 2020, so literally just 5 years ago.
So ये जितना अभी काम मैं देख रहा हूँ, so इसमें ये सब यानी कि after 2020 ज़्यादा.
So the everything on this wall
जी.
is my private collection, and it's from years that I didn't know that I'm an artist. So you see 2019, 2017, and none of this collection is for sale because I believe these are my stepping stones. This
ठीक,
is how
ठीक,
I
ठीक.
learned how to, finally see my land.
So they're like 2019 की जो ये, so these were the ones जो आप बता रही हैं कि you showcased them in Lokversa.
No, so इसमें से बहुत कम, लेकिन फिर further on, like a lot of my work that you see here, and then as we go into like my studio,
Sure.
so different collections have come out, but here in this room particularly, you see mostly just my private collection, which is never showcased, which I never take out of my private space.
So basically ये आपकी अपनी वो है inspirations है, they keep you inspired to carry on with your work. ठीक है. और इसके अलावा ये जो नीचे है पड़ी एक तस्वीर, I can see this one art as well.
So this was recently exhibited in couple of galleries like Art Escape and Art Cave,
Right.
and then recently at a cafe dot, then Sunny Kitchen Thai restaurant.
Right.
So a lot of this collection on this wall, that was at Sunny Kitchen.
ठीक ठीक
The
ठीक.
work you see sitting on the floor, because now I'm running out of walls,
Right.
was at Sunny Kitchen.
तो इसके अलावा बाकी भी आए, बल्कि I would want you to carry us forward. ये सामने वाले जी.
Big scale, which is acrylics
जी.
on canvas, so you can see all of that canvas work, which is.
And this was done back in.
This is 2021,
Interesting.
So what about this one?
2022.
अच्छा, यानी कि अब आपने being an artist पेस पकड़ लिया, यानी कि
I paint regularly, like how an athlete has to train daily. You have to train your creative muscle daily.
सही. So what is the last कह लें कि या current, हाँ यहाँ पे जो लगी हुई है वो last पहले बता दें, उसके बाद we can discuss.
So this is again a mixture of lots of years. This I created in Hunza when I lived there and worked for Serena Hotels. So you can see even this frame, it's
Right.
very Serena Hotels क्योंकि ये उनके कारपेंटर ने खुद वहाँ पे बनाया था. There's no framing shop.
Right.
So ये भी देयार की लकड़ी है और मैंने खुद select करके frame किया हुआ है. So all of this work goes back to 2023. फिर इसके बीच में ये बहुत पुराना 21 का मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा जो मैंने miniature and minute scale पे काम किया, I think वो 21 में किया था.
Right.
Part of this series. Then behind you is again Sunny Kitchen's collection.
Right. और उसके अलावा आपका ये भी आपका office है, so I'd call this your office.
Studio and home.
Alright, so this is a studio and home office.
This is where I mainly create.
So वैसे भी काफ़ी inspirational आपने यहाँ पे stories भी डाली हुई हैं. यानी कि ताकि लोग इनसे कुछ हासिल कर सकें? ये यू जस्ट अपने लिए नोट लगाया हुआ है कि बाकियों के लिए लगाया हुआ है?
No, for me, so I can keep myself centered and I know where I am in my practice. And this is recently, my most recent work is this.
Right.
I'm working on a series of flowers this
Ji.
year. All of 2025 actually I just painted flowers.
Okay. very
And
good.
all of that is now here to catalog and turn into.
So this is a flower, but it also shows a face in it, right? If I'm not wrong.
Well, that's up to you to see, but this is also one of my favorite flowers, like yes.
For those individuals जो अभी भी इस होप में है, क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस तो आपने बता दी, बट यू नो इंस्पिरेशन एक आर्टिस्ट को कैसे मिल सकती है? दैट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग टू, मेरे ख्याल में, टू रियलाइज ये आखिर हाउ. तो व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट?
Knowing yourself. Your biggest inspiration is inside you, so you need to know what really makes you happy or what you notice. I notice color, I notice a lot of nature. I'm very connected to that. So that's why in my work most of what you see is nature.
Right.
And then as a kid I loved drawing figures.
Right.
And that has also carried on into my work. So you really go back into your childhood, I would say, and try to find out what really made you happy, give you joy, or even what you just really noticed. That will give you, a lot of ideas of how to take your things forward. But then again, there are a lot of artists who are moved by their current circumstances.
Right.
And the social situation or the political landscape of where they live.
पॉलिटिकल लैंडस्केप पे भी चले, एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग आपने सब्जेक्ट. आई जस्ट वांट टू गेट आल्सो अ ग्लिम्स, क्योंकि अभी तक मुझे सिर्फ ये बताइएगा, हैव यू एवर शोकेस्ड योर वर्क कहीं बाहर, एज इन टू रिप्रेजेंट पाकिस्तान एज एन आर्टिस्ट फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान?
So, wahi ke I'm just a very emerging, early stage artist, I would say, in terms of showcasing. So,
Right.
my work is right now in Dubai at XVA Art Hotel.
अच्छा, वेरी नाइस.
So, it's showcased there and it has gone out to, again for showcasing to different cities, Karachi or Lahore. But I haven't really done an international residency yet. I
Right.
haven't done a show anywhere abroad yet.
सही. मुझे सिर्फ ये भी बताइएगा कि चले अगर हम पाकिस्तान के एलिमेंट में बात करते हैं तो a lot of people study from NCA, a lot of people study from other different avenues या different. आपने अभी तक किसी भी institution से नहीं पढ़ा.
Right.
So what do you think कि if you were given an opportunity, so would you, because in terms of the work जो मैं आपका देख रहा हूँ, it is phenomenal. What do you expect कि at some point in time would you like to go to them either as a student just to maybe carve your or craft your work even more? Because मेरे ख्याल में लर्निंग का एलिमेंट जो है वो इंसान की ज़िंदगी से ख़त्म नहीं होता. Because at the moment you say कि ओके जी बस मुझे तो सब आता है, तो फिर मुझे सब आता है इज़ लाइक खली वली, इज़ एंड ऑफ द स्टोरी ना. हाँ, तो व्हाट डू यू थिंक कि अगर आपको इनवाइट हो या would you want to go to learn more art?
Yes, I think particularly I'm also now old enough to not go back into an academic system, I believe, but I would want to go and do more residencies and then exchange programs, because
Right.
when you learn from somebody else's practice by observing or and even an apprenticeship for that matter,
Right.
I feel that's the way of learning that I respond to the most, rather than very academic or something. And I'm really grateful that I didn't study arts, because I still feel joy doing it.
Right.
And I have a lot of friends who have graduated from NCA, and for them it's become a task to make a collection, to think of a painting, then put up a show. For me, it's not that conceptual. It's my most natural state for me to paint, to draw.
Right. Anyways, मुझे last but not the least, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ा सा एलिमेंट ये भी जानना चाह रहा था in terms of the country itself, क्योंकि there are a lot of brilliant artists in Pakistan, but unfortunately वो showcase नहीं हो पाते हैं. तो what do you think, where exactly is the lack of the being out there? Because if you see there are a lot of avenues, अब तो हमारे पास इतने avenues आ गए, people can easily come, shoot, record और upload करके and put their work out there. What do you see? Why do people lack putting their work out?
Because I feel like the power lies in few hands.
Okay.
And the opportunity to showcase your work or come forward in the main art industry
Right.
is still with like few institutions and then couple of people who graduated from there and are running the art scene. So art camps एक reality है जो कि मुझे as a professional artist बन के समझ आई है.
सही.
So it needs to be a more freer space. You need to encourage more in emerging artists, and a lot of times they put up an open call for exhibitions and artworks, but
जी.
पहली line में लिखा होता है graduate from an art school. You know that really limits everything.
बिल्कुल सही.
और self taught की तो वहाँ कोई फिर space.
सो आप बेसिकली ये चाह रही हैं, हाँ ये बात आपकी दुरुस्त है, लेकिन क्योंकि बहुत से पढ़े लिखे आर्टिस्ट भी अपना आर्टिस्ट नहीं निकाल पाते.
नहीं निकाल पाते. Again, I believe it's also very much in you.
आर्टिस्ट इमोशनल होते हैं, है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं.
Person, you think about things very deeply, then you do feel this need to express it too. But let's say अगर आप नहीं कुछ जिंदगी में ऐसा खास feel कर रहे या you're not going through any journey, then I guess you have nothing to say and express.
So one more thing, of course, चले आपने ये भी बताया, मुझे बताइएगा, you work with Behbood. तो Behbood के बारे में थोड़ा बताएं, because it's women empowerment perspective and an avenue that is out there. So what is your role in Behbood and how do you utilize your art and work in that?
Right, so Behbood, for those who don't know, it is Pakistan's largest non-profit working for the economic empowerment of women for the past 58 years.
Right.
और अब वहाँ पे 5,500 औरतें हर काम लेके जाती हैं. More than 110 women are employed at the headquarters, which is in Tipu Road,
Right.
Mari Road, Rawalpindi. और ये एक बहुत बड़ा इदारा है जो कि औरतों को थ्रू स्किल ट्रेनिंग इन ट्रेडिशनल क्राफ्ट्स ऑफ पाकिस्तान इकोनॉमिकली एम्पावर करता है.
ठीक.
और फिर उसके साथ साथ दे गिव देम हेल्थ केयर, free healthcare, and they open up small home schools in these mohallas so the children of those women can get educated. So अब आप सोचिए 58 years of just working on this model, the impact is enormous.
Right.
And my role when 10 years ago I came and I saw the organization, I was completely mesmerized by the model.
Right.
And the president, Abida Malik,
जी.
जो उसको लीड कर रही हैं और जिन्होंने इसको सेल्फ सस्टेनेबल बनाया. So my role has been different, but always in the capacity of communication. So my first assignment there was to create their online store. When I came, it was just a non-profit and they didn't have a brand, Behbood Crafts.
सही.
So पहले मैंने उसकी branding की, फिर उसका एक brand image build किया, फिर online store बनाया.
So you have basically crafted the whole Behbood
Yes,
image.
you can say like really taken it out
Right.
there as a brand, which was just operating like an NGO और वो छोटे मोटे shows पे चले जाते थे और craft bazaars पे चले जाते थे. But अब उनका एक full on अपना showcase होता है, अपने fashion shows होते हैं, अपने fundraisers होते हैं.
Interesting, very interesting to know. There is one subject मैं अचानक से एकदम से ख्याल आया तो would talk about, क्योंकि आप women empowerment की बात करते हैं तो अभी recently, I don't know if you've heard about the news, जो कि there was this lady जिसके वेल को basically there was this person in India, some minister who tried to pull her veil off. I don't know if you've heard about it. So yeah, so that's another one thing that we are obviously talking about. तो उसमें basically that minister basically tries to take her veil off, which obviously is one of the major subjects. So हम usually discussion भी कर रहे थे, तो I thought that probably, but वो sanity perspective पे भी आ जाता है और women empowerment के point से मैंने सोचा कि मैं आपसे discuss करूँ. Anyways, nonetheless, मुझे any final messages to all fellow artists and fellow non-artists and all supporters of artists out there, so that we can conclude this? Yeah.
Well, the message I think would be to really go deep inside your heart. And if you have this urge to create, then just create from that space and do not care about outcome in the beginning.
Right.
I never have this attachment with my work. कि इसने बिकना भी है. That's why I keep my job.
When
on
you
the side.
अपनी कला को उसके लिए ना बनाए.
Do this for yourself for a very long time, and if it turns out to be any good and honest,
Right.
it will find its space.
Right. Thank you for your time and the golden words. और आप सबको भी बस ये कहूँगा कि keep supporting art, let the art flow, and do not keep the negative elements out of it, because the human element may we always get the negative elements. So I was lovely speaking to Tamkeen here, and I think there are a lot of words of wisdom जो कि शायद बहुत से लोगों के लिए मददगार साबित होंगे. I'll surely showcase her work, और आप लोग आपकी जितनी details होंगी we'll surely share in this video so that people can get in touch with her. Thank you once again, guys. All the best. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.